Hello everyone, I'm Angelo, and have you ever wondered how this toy works? It balances always on its beak, no matter how matter you poke it. Well, that was too hard, but yeah. And it even works on the finger, as you can see. This is because the wings go forward, and they're so big. So the center of gravity, which is what causes to balance, um, moves from here to the beak. Well, that was the explanation of how this toy works. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And bye bye, and see you in the next video.